with this particular dialect, but it seems that each ice cream recipe had a guardian of some kind.
Guardian?
Sure, this was carved hundreds of years ago. Whatever it was is long gone. Now we are here. I just can't make it out. Whatever the guardian was, it sure was big.
Your Majesty!
The recipe!
There's nothing in it.
Wait, there's a note. Who?
We be getting closer.
Is everyone okay?
I think so, but I lost my saber. Is he okay?
I'm not sure, Leona, but by all accounts, none of us are okay.
Leona? My saber fell too. Use your zapper.